the clocks and nights too loud. Every sound just calls you out. Even silence knows your name. Every room still feels the same. Phones don't ring, the air stands still, like the world forgot its will. Every step I take alone feels like walking through a home that's gone. I never learned how to stay when you were the way. When you left, the world went quiet. Every color faded slow. You were every road I followed, every place I'd ever go. Now the stars don't mean a thing, they just shine without a use. When you left, the world went quiet, and my heart went with you too. Planes above just circle low, riding truths I already know. Strangers dressed in shades of grief, like love is something disbelief. You were my morning, my midnight, every wrong that felt like right. I built my days around your sound. Now every day just breaks me down. I believe love never bends, didn't know where always ends. When you left, the world went quiet. Every promise came undone. You were every north and south, every rising, setting sun. Now the moon don't pull the tide, the sky forgot the truth. When you left, the world went quiet, and so did all the reasons to take the ocean, drain it dry, take the moon right from the sky. What's the point of time or light if you're not on the other side? I would trade tomorrow's breath just to feel your hand again. Love was never built to last, but I didn't know back then. When you left, the world went quiet, like a song without a key. You were every word I spoke, every part of you and me. Now I breathe but don't feel whole, just learning how to cry. When you left, the world went quiet, and nothing good walks by. Stop the clocks, let the mourners come. Love was here, and now it's gone.